Hey everyone, welcome back to Health and Harmony. Today I'm tackling a topic many are curious about but often hesitate to discuss. Let's dive into the science, debunk myths, and share practical tips to keep your body thriving, naturally. Your vagina's taste is shaped by its pH, a natural acidity between 3.8 and 4.5. This acidity fights infections and keeps things balanced. Normal tastes vary: sweet, sour, metallic, or even bitter. Contrary to ads promising freshness, your vagina isn't meant to smell like flowers. It's designed to taste like, and that's perfect. Quick anatomy lesson. Your is the internal canal leading to the uterus. The includes external parts like the clitoris and labia. Both influence scent and taste, so we'll refer to them together today. A disrupted pH can cause infections like BV or yeast infections, leading to strong odors, think rotten fish. Unusual discharge, itching or burning, persistent foul smell treatment can restore balance. Your diet subtly affects taste. While no magic food exists, these help. Flushes toxins. Yogurt, kimchi, support good bacteria. Limit garlic, alcohol, and sugar. They intensify scent. Your vagina is self-cleaning. Douches, scented washes. They disrupt pH. Harsh soaps, rinse your with water. Gently clean folds to prevent buildup. Lets your skin breathe, reducing infection risk. Ditch synthetics. Also, avoid smoking, alcohol, they can sour scent. Use, they harbor less bacteria. A partner who shames your taste, red flag. Healthy relationships respect your body. If they avoid intimacy, it's time to reevaluate, not your pH. Internal washing, flavored lubes, condoms, scented products. These can trigger infections. Stick to gentle, pH-friendly care. Your body is incredible. Trust its natural balance. Nourish it with good habits, and consult a doctor if something feels off. Drop your questions below, and check the description for pH-safe product links. Stay confident, stay healthy.